Hello, I'm Annabel Brodie-Smith, the Communications Director of the Association of Investment Companies. Now, today we're talking about our Investment Company Showcase, which is on October the 10th. And I'm delighted to be talking to Maggie Fanari. She's the Chief Executive Officer of J. Rothschild Capital Management, who manage RIT Capital Partners. Now, Maggie, can you explain the investment objectives of your trust and how you aim to reach them?
Thank you, Annabel. We look to compound shareholder wealth over time. We do that by building a very diversified and resilient portfolio where we aim to generate returns for our shareholders offer less risk than equity markets. And we've been able to do that since inception. Our returns are 10.5%. And how we're able to do that more specifically is we look to engage and find the best specialist fund managers in the world, be that across public markets, private markets, or absolute returning strategies and credits. And we work alongside our managers, and through our fantastic team, we're also able to invest directly on balance sheet in those specific asset classes, leveraging our global network to be able to put together the best portfolio of the best assets alongside, in our view, the best asset managers in the world, delivering a very differentiated source of return for our investors.
Great. And how did you actually come about becoming a fund manager?
I always knew I wanted to either go into finance or into accounting, but at the time I couldn't decide which field I specifically wanted to go into. So I double majored in both. I went into the accounting stream first, spent a few years there. It was a wonderful experience to get to understand many different businesses. It opened up a lot of opportunities. But in the end, I decided I wanted to move into the investment fund business. I found my way to the Ontario Teachers Pension Plan. While I was there, I was able to invest across different asset classes, private markets, public markets, venture and growth globally in the world. I moved to London to support opening up our international strategies. And then at that time, I also came across RIT Capital. We were investing in very similar deal flow, and I ended up joining the board as a non-executive director in 2019. And ultimately became the CEO in 2024.
Well, we've got a really good picture. What a diverse bunch of areas and subjects you've been covering. And then to get to RIT, well, there was a really good match. That makes a lot of sense. What will you be speaking about at our investment company showcase in October?
Well, I think the general trend this year is volatility and uncertainty. And I think that there's a real and genuine belief very much that diversification really, really matters for investors, and being able to invest in lots of different asset classes across different geographies beyond the Magnificent Seven, if you will, is really top of mind for investors. And that's really what we focus on as a firm. And we'll see what happens between now and October. We've seen in the last 6 months how much change there's been, and I'm sure there'll be new things for us to talk about come October. But I think uncertainty and active management really coming into play in this environment will continue to be key topics throughout this year and probably for the next couple of years.
Yeah, that makes complete sense. With investors reallocating away from the US and the Magnificent Seven, they really want a diversified portfolio. So I'm sure they're going to be very interested in what you have to say. And what are you looking forward to most at the investment company showcase?
I'm really looking forward to engage with other fund managers and also with investors, both of our existing investors, who I'm sure many of them will be there, and also new investors as well. It's a wonderful opportunity to see a number of people and hear from a number of investment professionals. So I'm really looking forward just to engaging with everyone while I'm there.
Well, thank you so much, Maggie. We very much look forward to seeing you at the investment company showcase in October. Thanks very much.
Great. Thank you.